think it would be good for everybody to come to the Life Center to learn all about your eating habits. It really helped me out. They gave us books to look up on the calories and proteins and fats, and we wrote down what we eat at home and how much calories we do a day.
The Life Center at Gila River Health Care has many services available to patients of all ages. For more information about any of these classes, please contact the Life Center at 520-562-7940 or 602-271-7940.